Welcome back. Traffic rules are being violated blatantly at Old Bus Stand in Vasco. Interior city buses are parked helter-skelter at the bus stand. Not just that, KTC drivers also park their buses haphazardly. Drivers of city buses blame it on KTC bus drivers for unauthorized parking.
कदंबाचे पळयता रे ट्रेन वागडे लायले ते कदंबाई तशे हम गाड़ी लावपा जागा ना गाड़ी वागडी ना गाड़ी आ तितली
इधर गाड़ी लगाने के लिए जगह नहीं ना सब इसके लिए
जगह नहीं बोल के रास्ते पे लगा के
कदम्बा वाला बड़ा बड़ा बस लेके आके इधर रखता है। हम लोग को गाड़ी पार्किंग करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम होता है। जगह नहीं है तो हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम किसको तकलीफ करना नहीं चाहता है। हमको समझते हैं पब्लिक के लिए तकलीफ होता बोल के कदम वाला बड़ा बड़ा बस लगा था इधर, हमको जगह नहीं मिलता, इसके लिए हम लोग ऐसा रखना पड़ता है।
When we contacted the traffic inspector Navlesh Desai, he said challenges will be issued to city and KTC bus drivers for randomly parking the buses.
I will ensure that all buses will be challenged at the junction and the depot. All the buses, private as well as the KTC buses, will be issued a challenge if they are violating traffic, unauthorized parking and violating traffic signals.
People have complained of traffic congestion on the route. Pedestrians, commuters and private vehicle drivers are aggrieved with the parking menace at Old Bus Stand in Vasco. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Villagers of Savoy Vere have opposed transportation of sand during night hours. They have demanded that transportation of sand should be stopped from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Villagers have no objection to sand transportation, but demanded stopping of transport during the night hours. Savoy Vere Panchayat had called for a special meeting with locals and Volvoy Panchayat.
The meeting was called after the villagers of Savoy Vere stopped a truck carrying illegal sand. They have opposed to transportation of sand during the night hours.
फॅक्टरींच्यान सुटले म्हणटा येता ते जागरणाचे आसता आनी त्या वेळार भरमसाट गाडयो वयता तेन्ना तेंचो जिवाचो आमकां भंय दिसता घरा कडेन आसलेल्या लोकांक. त्याच बरोबर वाटेर गोरवां आसता, त्या गोरवांक लागून हे गाडयेवाले वर्ण मारता व्हडल्या तितक्यान लोक सगळे जागे उरता, अख्खी रात सगळे लोकांक जागरण जाता.
They informed that the transportation is detrimental to people working during night hours in the area.
आम्ही या भाटांचेरूच जगता, आम्ही आनी दुसरें कांय ना आमगेलो.
आमचो विशय फक्त आमकां रातचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट नाका, रेंवचे आमचो प्रश्नूच ना. कोण काडटा कितें काडटा तें आमकां नाका, कायदेशीर काय बेकायदेशीर तें आमकां नाका. आमचो फक्त रातची ट्रान्सपोर्ट हांगा चालू उरूं जायना इतलीच आमचो हेतू.
Panchayat members of Volvoy were asked to be present for the special meeting called by Savoy Vere Panchayat, but none from the Volvoy Panchayat attended the meeting. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.